Good morning, this is me Arpita and this is day 4 of my Sri Lanka trip. It is almost 7:30 in the clock and we are gonna go to a very special places, like not a, like many special places today, but before that I just want to show you where I am staying. So yesterday we got here pretty late and it was dark and I couldn't show you. So let me just go to the front and I'll just show you how it looks from this side. So this is the common area and this is their reception area, and now going into the room. This is the room. I know it's very messy because we just packed and unpacked. So this is the size of the room and it's like really small, but we didn't argue because prices were like really high for an upgradation and I couldn't afford. So this was the best, but it is like really cozy. It's really warm. There were many blankets provided to us. This is the washroom. Not gonna show you the washroom, but it's like an okay washroom. And this is a cute little mirror. But yeah, the size of the room is maybe a little small, but it'll do the work. And so yeah, just to update you guys that we are gonna leave today to go to Ravana cave, Ravana waterfall, and then a very special place. So before that, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates that I give. Also, I am very active on Instagram, giving all kind of details, real life, lifetime, live streaming maybe sometimes. So do check that out. Check out my Instagram page for more updates and I will see you along the day. Bye. फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन का गाड़ी है, इसको हम क्रॉस भी नहीं करेंगे, पीछे भी नहीं जाएंगे। क्रॉस कराटा ओवरटेक कराटा बाजे last night I did not vlog much because so whatever, we rented a scooty because it's much more economical, it's time saving, it's money saving. That's the important part because tuk-tuk तो इधर बहुत ही ज़्यादा मांग रहा था एंड हमको बहुत डिफरेंट जगह पे जाना था, हमको एक स्पेशल जगह पे भी जाना था, थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है वो, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब बजट से ज़्यादा हो जाता. So we thought that we would rent a scooty for a whole day and we will do everything that we need to do in Ella. So I'll just tell you what the scooty price is. It's 2,500 for a day. Ravana cave? Thank you. Can we keep this here? So the entry fee for Ravana cave is 200 per head, 200 LKR, and there are lots of steps. We are see the steps behind me. We are climbing. So I'll tell you the tuk-tuk scene, okay? So if you take a tuk-tuk for a whole day in Ella, there are like rate charts, like there are different places that they will take you and there are different charges for it. So for us, the Ravana cave, Waterfall, 9 Arch Bridge and all that, the famous places in Ella, so they are charging 15,000 for few locations. So 15,000 is a lot for those few places, but on the contrary 2,500 is okay. Like 2,500 is like 700 rupees, 800 rupees इंडियन रुपीज़. सो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब हमारे पास थ्रू आउट द डे रहेगा. हम जैसे भी यूज़ करें, जितना भी चलाए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तो वी आर डूइंग दैट. बट लाइसेंस पे आते हैं. अब हमारा इंडियन लाइसेंस है, तो इंडियन लाइसेंस इधर चल जाता है. देयर इज़ नो इशू विद इंडियन लाइसेंस. पीपल डोंट catch you like that. Polices are little lenient on the Indian license. But obviously if you have international driving license permit, then तो obviously you are good to go. But हमारे लिए तो वही चल रहा है. So yeah, these steps are really steep. But पता नहीं कितना चलना पड़ेगा. बहुत ऊपर आ गए, अभी चढ़े ही नहीं है. Also चलते चलते थोड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट बात कर लेते हैं कि हम लोग जब इधर आए थे like 2-3 days, like 4 days ago, the exchange value rate for LKR was 3.5 or 7. अभी वो डिक्रीज़ हो रहा है. So every time, every day, the value is changing. So when you are actually, doing any conversion, money from LKR to USD or LKR to INR, तो just keep this thing in mind कि value क्या है. Because इधर ना people take some percentage, obviously they will. तो कितना काट रहा है, अगर वो तुम्हारा फ़ायदे का है या नहीं है, सब देख के then you do the exchange. এবার হচ্ছে now we are going down. Then again probably we are going up. So it's been like 30 minutes and we are still climbing stairs. ওর জন্য সেকেন্ড হাফে দিয়েছি. The THE capital cave. My God, it's so huge. So huge. হ্যাঁ, এত অবধিতে যাবো, যত অবধি লাইট যাচ্ছে তত অবধি যাবো. আর ইংরেজগুলো আসলো যে भाई, this is really scary. This is really scary. Like एक बड़ा सा मॉन्स्टर अंदर सो रहा है and we'll go and we'll wake him up and then he'll eat us. That kind of scary. Oh my God, you even can't see what's at the back and I don't even want to know what's at the back. So this right behind me is the famous Ravana cave, and it is said that Ravan, when he kidnapped Sita in his, my God, bats, so many bats, fuck, bats. I don't know if I'm talking and that's why, maybe, but I don't want thousands of bats to fly away from here. I'll die. Just look at the huge cave, so huge you can't even see what's at the back. It's completely dark. This one, it's completely dark. Oh ma, badur uchche, cholo badur uchche. Ore bapre. It's that I'm very scared. This huge cave is giving me a very bad feeling. Like really bad feeling. Like I want to go to that end, but it's just two of us. अगर और कोई भी लोग होता, मे बी कोई अंग्रेज होता, तो मैं चली जाती उधर. But I'm not going because I don't know what will come from there. Maybe not monster, but insects and bats, mostly bats. And the way they are making a very weird sound, I don't like it. But it's a huge part of our Indian Hindu mythology, like huge part. But if somebody who doesn't believe in mythology also, just look at the natural cave behind me. This is in no way a mythology. It's a nature's gift. दिस ह्यूज केव. जो दूसरा एंड है ना वो शायद और ज़्यादा डीप था, बट अभी पत्थर पड़ के वो ब्लॉक हो गया है. बट एक बार जस्ट मतलब आई वॉन्ट टू स्टे बट आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू स्टे. सो रावणा's cave has 4 routes from which you can access it, or maybe some of it is blocked, but there are 4 routes originally. One is the one that we went, another is Nuara area, and there's another that goes to Ravana's waterfall that we are gonna go later today, like after this only we are gonna go. And the last one opens to a temple. So you all know that this country Sri Lanka is connected through caves. Like there are many caves in the country. They're like spiraled, ऐसे सब जगह पे connected है. बहुत सारे caves अभी block हो चुके हैं, बहुत सारे tourists के लिए open हैं. But it's just a shout out to the Sri Lankan government that they have maintained this cave so well, because जहाँ पे height पे ये है ना, normally access करना is very difficult, but they have made so nice stairs. ऊपर जाने के वक्त उधर उतना अच्छा नहीं है, but they have made like steel का, लोहे का stair. तो बहुत ही मतलब tourist का मतलब सोच के they have maintained this spot. But unfortunately we are not seeing anybody, but also it's very early in the morning, so maybe कोई अभी आया नहीं है. But I'm sure जे इतना foreigner लोग इधर नहीं आते. But today we are having this for breakfast today because there's nothing here. So this is Ravan's waterfall behind me. It's the lowest tier, so it's a 3-tier fall. You can go to the middle part, then you can go to the top part. So this is the lower part. But as of now, we are going to see lots of English behind me. We are going to go and take a closer look at it. So I am now going for a very special thing. So I have watched this in the videos of Nomadic Indian and Bengali vlogger Shivaji the Explorer. But Nomadic Indian, when he did come to this place, it was like in 2018. But right now this place has got a lot of tourist attention, and that's why it's like much easily accessible, but still not that much accessible. But so right now I'm going to Nil Diya Pokuna, which means blue pond. And again there's this story that maybe Ravan used to swim in there, but it's like deep under the ground. We have to go deep under the ground to, this is some sort of a trek. So let's see how it goes out.
500 meters inside the forest. Underground 800 meters tour. First 10 meter down 2 ladder, other side normal walking, bottom place have water. Interface first ladder 3 meters down. Second ladder 4 meters down. Only 2 ladders. Other side normal walking, cave is very big, not yet calculated. Okay. This picture is normally day water color and water level. Now is water level too high because of the fast rainy season. Look at now these pictures. Now this color crystal clear, same. Water level this is on up. Okay. Near side you can enjoy, middle area 5 meters deep, not swimming. You enjoy near side water level. Okay. One person 3000, includes everything, guide, helmet, headlamp, big light, everything. Some people go and come back 1.5 hours, some people 1 hour.
Okay. So it's 500 meter inside the forest. So we have our guide with us, who's guiding us with amongst the woods, and we will lead, and it will lead to the opening of the cave, and it's a small walk to the main place.
Right, good.
Tight.
Okay.
So ready. So not ready. Ore babare. Okay. Hi. अरे हमें नीचे भय लगे. Thank you. Okay. Head, yeah.